A very good morning to all my dear students. I would like to take class before starting my AV assignment. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all the times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Now, I am going to start our assignment. The topic is the table of 2. Okay, we will do the table of 2. Okay, let's start. 2 0 the 0, 2 0 the 0, 2 1s the 2, 2 1s the 2, 2 2s the 4, 2 2s the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 4s the 8, 2 5s the 10, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, 2 8 the 16, 2 9 the 18, 2 9 the 18, 2 10 the 20, 2 10 the 20. Okay, let's repeat again. 2 0 the 0, 2 1s the 2, 2 2s the 4, 2 3s the 6, 2 4s the 8, 2 5s the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7s the 14, 2 8s the 16, 2 9s the 18, 2 10 the 20. Okay, clear बच्चे? Clear to everyone? You have to learn and write on your fair notebooks the table of 2. Okay, you have to write down on your fair notebooks with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, now in your maths book, Math Mania, page number 7, we will do page number 7. We will observe the things which is heavy and light, their weight, that is heavy or light. Okay, let's start. Like in this picture, this watermelon is heavier than orange. And orange, this is orange. Orange is lighter than watermelon. Okay, watermelon is heavier. Orange is lighter than watermelon. Okay. बच्चे जो वाटरमेलन है जो दिस इज हैवियर है ना जे ऑरेंज से, और जो ऑरेंज है वो क्या है, वो लाइटर है वाटरमेलन से. ठीक है. सो वी हैव टू राइट H फॉर हेवियर एंड L फॉर लाइटर. क्लियर. In this picture, apple is heavier, so we will write H for heavier, and strawberry is lighter, so we will write L for strawberry. Okay, clear to everyone? In this picture, this sofa is heavier, so we will write H here. This chair is lighter than this sofa, so we will write L because chair is lighter in weight. Okay. In this picture, this rat is lighter than this cat. Cat is heavier, so we will write H for cat and L for rat because rat is lighter in weight than cat. Okay. In this picture, this bicycle is lighter than jeep, so we will write L for cycle because this is lighter in weight than jeep. Okay, and this jeep is heavier, so we will write H. We will write H here because this is heavier. Okay. In this picture, this bag is heavier than book, so we will write H for bag and L for book because this is lighter in weight. Okay, the book is lighter in weight, so we will write L. Okay, this bag is heavier, so we will write H. Okay. In this last picture, this brinjal is light in weight, so we will write L, and this is heavier, so we will write H. Okay, clear to everyone? Okay बच्चे, bye.